Today we are going to draw and paint a van. Let's get started. Draw a big rectangle shape. Draw a line in the center of rectangle. Upper portion further divide in 3 parts. For the windshield we use triangle. We draw a super smart rectangle for roof. And guess what shape I use for wheel? That's right. Circle. For indicator lights and tail lights, and I once again use rectangles. But tiny. Here we go. I use light colors. What colors you use?